Here's a fast and easy one for a stove where the buttons don't respond, they don't work for the stove and for the oven. We're going to actually fix this with a pencil eraser. So first thing we're going to do, we're just testing the buttons right here and before the fix, and we're really only getting a few of the buttons work. Most of them are unresponsive. There's a very common problem that happens to a lot of types of stoves, a lot of different brands. We're going to unplug it. We're going to pull it away from the wall a little bit so we can get to the back. And then we're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver to remove a series of screws here on the back panel. Sped this up a little bit. And once you get those screws out, you'll be able to get to a thing called the ribbon cable. And the ribbon cable just has some oxidation on it that needs to be cleaned off with a pencil eraser. So this is the ribbon cable. We're going to pull up on the black housing slightly by about a 1/16 of an inch so we get the ribbon cable out. We're going to take the ribbon cable, we're going to clean it with a pencil eraser, just the end of it, both the part that faces out and the part that faces in. We want to get it really clean. So usually I'll clean a little bit, then rub it against my pants to clean the eraser, and then clean more of the oxidation on the ribbon cable. And it just takes a couple of minutes to do this. Just want to get any kind of pencil eraser would work. And then once you get it clean, the next thing we'll do is just push the ribbon cable back into that black plastic housing. You want to actually lift up a little bit, about, maybe a 1/16 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch on this housing, and then push the cable in. As you push the cable in, push down on the plastic housing. That'll hold it in. And then you should have really good electrical contact. And when you go to press the buttons, you should have a good normal response, just as if you just had a brand new oven. So this is a common problem that happens over time, that oxidation buildup. So we're just putting the back panel back on into position, and we'll add in those Phillips head screws to hold it. And after that, we'll plug it in and see if those buttons are going to be working again. Just putting that back panel back on, pushing the oven back into position, kind of wiggle it, push it in. And now we'll test the buttons. So yeah, now it responds. I set it for 350. Yep, and I can hear the relay click, and it's nice and hot in there. So that worked really good. I hope this works for your oven too. Thanks for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. And also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions.